Here we are at Kings Lynn, Extons road level crossing in Norfolk with AB trains. Hangman. Go on. Bloody thing. Bang. Right, time is 12:25 on Saturday. Hang on. Just a sec. Right, let's try that again. Time is 12:25 on Saturday, the 20th of April 2024. And this is for your 12:30, 1 Tango 22, Great Northern Service and Lucas Cross to Kings Lynn. Covering the Kings Lynn line today. This is a line I've yet to have covered all those years ago. The closest I got was Kiln Lane and Queen Adelaide number 2. Here she is. And all those years later I finally got down to doing it. 387 122. to 387 108 to Kings Lynn from London Cross, and up they go. Thank you guys, I shall see you in the next video.